deformation. You can't use your finger to touch it. Blackening. As we know, TIG welders are very important and very popular in the world. And the differences are as following. Difference of welding temperature. The temperature of welding floor is 2/3 lower than that of TIG welders. The welding time of the cold welding is precisely controlled, and the base manual temperature of the after high current welding is only tenths of degrees, which can be touched by hand, for example. But you can't touch it by your hand. Okay, so what's the next difference? The second difference of deformation. Thin plate welding is very easy to deform. The welding temperature is much lower than that of TIG welders. So cold welding machines have great advantages over TIG welders in sheet metal welding. I touch here. The temperature is kind of hot. I touch here. The temperature is very cool. You can see the deformation is very heavy. Blackening. No blackening. Compared with TIG welders, cold welding machine is not easy to burn through. Okay? For more information and knowledge, please contact me. See you bye next time.